doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a makeup tutorial. And that is what I've spent this day 2 of quarantine doing. So speaking of that, I think I've decided that I want to do like one vlog, one tutorial, one vlog, one tutorial. Because I feel like if I just do vlogs all week or do tutorials all week, I feel like I'm gonna get bored and I don't want that. So this is the look that I've created today. And I wanted to do something that was like springy and bright and fun, especially right now because everyone's stuck inside and can't go outside. So if you want to know how to get this look, then just keep watching. Alright, so I just primed my eyes using my Shape Tape concealer, and now I'm going to go straight in to the Jeffree Star Bloodlust palette. So the first shade I'm going to take is this one right here, which is called High King. And taking a 217 brush by MAC, I'm just going to put this into my crease. I'm actually going to put a headband on to keep my hair out of my face because it's really hot in my room right now.
If it's not enough, I want to see the stuff the world has got in store. I want to take.
So I'm going to go in with a short shader brush like this, and I'm going to go in the shade Blood Queen. And I'm just going to start outlining my outer V with this color first. Going back with 217. Going back with the Jeffree Star palette, I'm going to take the shade Take the Crown. I'm going to take a flat shader brush, the ColourPop E3, and I'm going to put this on the center of my lid. I really wanted to do something springy and something like happy, since everyone's stuck in quarantine right now and it's not exactly the best springtime adventure you could ask for. I'm gonna go into the shade Dungeon, this very dark, almost blackened purple. I want to darken up that edge just a little bit more. I'm just going to start layering the Take the Crown and the High King color on the edge here, just to like blend the colors together a bit more.
Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more.
And now for the inner part of my eye, I'm going to take the shade Wet Jewel, this shade right here, and I'm just going to take that on my finger.
Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me.
I'm feeling this look. Alright, now that we're done with the eyeshadow, I am just going to put on a wing. I'm gonna like almost start my wing in the center of my eye versus going right into the inner corner, because I want the inner corner to be super, super bright. There you go, that's one eye. This eye is always my hardest eye, Lord help me. Alright, that is as even as it's going to get. Now that I'll take it. And I just used the Schwing liquid liner again. For foundation, I think I'm gonna go back to an oldie but a goodie, the Makeup Forever foundation. I haven't used the Makeup Forever in a very long time. I don't even know if it matches me, so we shall see. Oh yeah, that'll match me. Yeah, that'll match me. Just dotting my foundation all over my face and blending.
Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me.
I got my foundation on. So I'm gonna go in with NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. I'm in the shade Medium Olive. And I'm going to set my under eyes using my Hourglass Mineral Veil. Alright, for bronzer, going back into my Too Faced. Oh my god, my lighting. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry, you guys. Working with natural lighting is a pain. Little Dominic. Now for blush, going into my Jaclyn Hill Becca Cosmetics palette, I'm going in with the shade Amaretto. So for the lower lash line, I'm gonna go back into the shade High King, and I am going to buff that underneath the lower lash line. And then under that, I'm gonna use the shade Royal Pain, which is this. And I'm just gonna buff that underneath. I'm going to take my MAC 208 liner brush and I'm gonna grab the wet jewel color. I'm going to actually take my Morphe setting spray and just spray that down a little bit just to get it a little bit wet. And then I'm gonna go back in with that eyeshadow to help this stick. There we go. For my brow bone, I have a little mini of the Becca highlighter in the shade Opal. For highlight, I'm gonna go back in with the shade Opal and my fan brush, aka my new love. So I'm gonna line my lips with an Essence lip liner in the shade Going Steady. Open up a world behind stars. Now I'm going in with the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Sellout. And on top of that, I'm gonna take my Kylie gloss in the shade Light. Taking my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I'm just gonna let that dry for a second and then I'm gonna put on some mascara and then we'll be all done look. And this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a like, comment, anything down below. Let me know if there's something you want me to film. I'm all ears. I'm open to suggestions. I'm stumbling over my words. All right, so I will see you guys tomorrow. All right, bye.